I'm a Canadian farmer. I don't spray pesticides with my drones. Not because I don't want to, not because I can't do it safely, but because for now, our regulators say, nope.
But that doesn't mean my drone just sits in the shop. It flies before my boots hit the ground. It spots trouble in my fields and in my herd. It finds lost bison, maps crop damage, and checks beaver dams. I use drones to seed cover crops or rejuvenate pastures, to spray biologicals, growth promotants, and fertilizers. It's my eye in the sky, my early warning system, my silent workhorse. Canada's rules still keep spray drones at bay, but let's be real, who should be spraying anyway? Farm families have sprayed safely for generations. We know what works, we know our fields. A drone tech may know the machine, but does he know my soil, my pests, my routine? Does he know when the wind's too strong, when the timing's wrong, or how poor application could cost me all season long? And then there's the cost. It's not the spraying that's pricey, it's the driving, the waiting, the wasted time. So why call someone from the city when I'm already here? So no, I don't spray pesticides with my drone, yet, but I will. And when I do, it won't be some guy rolling in late with a sprayer and a map. It won't be someone guessing at what my field needs.
It'll be me, because I know this land. I know my crops, my soils, my pests, because I am a Canadian farmer. Sorry.